Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you the VibeVM that is deployed on Fala Cloud. So, good vibes, zero trust required. So you'll get a username and password you would set in the template, which I'll link before this. And you have now a code server here. And here you'll have a repo already pulled in through Git. And this is for the ERC-8004 TEE agent. So you'll check in here, you'll want to go into the environment variables, you want to change this RPC URL, you want to change this agent port to 8000, and then you would want to get a red pill API key if you want to do the confidential inference. One other thing is there's an agent domain that you may need to set, but we can address that a little bit later. So we're going to install the dependencies. And as you can see, we have all of our Python dependencies being installed here. And now that they're installed, it's pretty easy. We just simply run the script. So there's a launch script. You can run you'll put Python 3 deployment local agent server. And awesome, now we have our agent up and running and being served on this URL here, which is the agent domain and the port 8000. And I'm going to copy this and just open up a tab and check this out. So as you can see here, great. So now we have the TEE agent wallet here. The wallet was generated in the TEE, so it doesn't have any funds. So I added a wallet, like a wallet connect, so that you can connect your wallet to it and send some funds so you can register this agent on chain. So in this case, I'll just send it 0.001 because I don't have that much Sepolia ETH. And note, you can, if you change the chain ID, you can switch to different chains just depending on which contracts you want to register on. Right now, this repo would be on base Sepolia or on ETH Sepolia, which is this example here. So I'm going to go and continue to registration. So you see that we have a wallet that's funded. We're going to register our identity on chain. So this will register based on the Ethereum ERC-8004 IdentityRegistry contracts that they have deployed. And from there, now that we're registered there, we can then start with our TEE verification such that we can verify that the TEE key that is representative of the agent was actually generated within a TEE, and it'll have a remote attestation on chain that you can check out. So now we are verified in both registries, and you can see here's our agent card. If we go back here, I created a nice little API, and you can see the agent status. So this would load from the on-chain registries. You get your ID. I can see my wallet info here. I can sign messages. Hello DStack, sign this message. And then if you set the red pill API key, then you can choose this little cool thing where you can just describe a quick little script, like calculate the factorial of 10 and output the result. And you can check here in the advanced options to include the TEE attestation. We're going to include it because we want that verifiable inference output. And you can see here, it generates the code. You can copy the code and check out the script and run it on your own. And then you see the output from the execution and the remote attestation from the TEE and the signature as well that you can verify on chain. But yeah, that's the demo.